What's up, guys? This is Pastor Calab again. It's about 10:55 p.m. and we're going to start another tutorial. And tonight is the day we're going to start with a new programming language, so Java. I already have my program ready to start. Okay, so I got my public class, and the name of the class is going to be First Program. Just remember, when you start a program, a class, it has to start. We give it the name. It has to start like the first letter has to be capital letter. Yeah, always a class you start with a capital letter, and that's what we have right here. First program. So every class in Java has a method. In this case, we're going to have public, static, void main, and then we have a string, brackets, args. This is the structure. And then this method, so we're going to talk about more later about this public static void. But every class has to have a method. In this case, it has the main method. So also, like a program, it can have like different classes. You know, all those different classes makes a program. Um, but it is group of classes. There gotta be one class that is like the that controls all the different classes. It can be the first program, you know, like every single class will have different individual methods that will tell to do something, right, to the program. So, but the main program, the main class, I mean, it will be the driver of all those different classes. So we just tell them what to do, you know. But anyway, so right here inside this main method, we're going to be telling to the method to print something. And how do you do that? You start with a command system. Just remember that also the system starts with a capital letter. System dot out print line ln, and then parentheses, and then you have double quotes in the print, and then you tell whatever, like to tell something like, hello world. That usually what everybody does, and then you finish this statement with a semicolon. Let's run this program, or let's execute it. Okay, and we have right here, hello world. Cool. And you can just type whatever right here, so that will can print it. For example, today is the day that we are starting Java programming, right? So that will print it. Let's run it right here. So it's the day that we are starting Java programming. Also, you can just print multiple lines too. You can just do another one over here. System that now print line quotes. We can just type another thing right here, like say maybe yeah, tutorials are tutorials are awesome, especially in Java programming. Cool. Let's end that with a semicolon, and let's just run it. I have the 2 lines right here. Today's the day that we are starting Java programming. Tutorials are awesome, especially in Java programming. You know, if so if you have a mistake typing it, for example, it's right here. It's going to be an N instead of a N instead of a M. So when you run it, it will tell you the errors too, and this is the good thing. When you go OK, error exists and require projects. Just if you go to proceed, it just tells you over here. It says first program main right here. It's in line 6, which is right here. Yeah, I see it. And then you fix that, and then you run it again, and then it just prints it with any problems. Cool. So that was just the first program that we learned today. Pretty simple. Not too much to say about it, It's pretty simple. But anyway, so have a good night, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you. Bye.